Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping in Shopify. This is a great way to incentivize customers to spend more on your store by offering them free shipping once they hit a certain purchase threshold. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your store's dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online business. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Discounts. This section is where you'll manage all promotional offers for your store. After clicking Discounts, you'll see a button that says Create Discount. Go ahead and click on that to begin setting up your free shipping offer. Now you'll be prompted to choose a discount type. For our purposes, select free shipping from the available options. This tells Shopify that you want to create a shipping-related promotion rather than a percentage or dollar amount off products. On the next screen, you'll see a section labeled Method. By default, it might be set to discount code, but we want to change this to automatic. Setting it to automatic means customers won't need to enter a code at checkout. The free shipping will apply automatically when they meet your conditions, which creates a smoother shopping experience. Next, give your discount a clear name like free shipping. This name is primarily for your internal reference, so make it something you'll easily recognize when reviewing your active promotions later. Now let's move to the countries section. Here you can decide whether this offer applies to all countries or just selected ones. If you're running a global store, you might choose all countries. But if shipping costs vary significantly by region, you might want to limit it to specific countries where the economics make sense for your business. You'll also notice a checkbox that says Exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. If you check this box, you can input a maximum shipping rate amount. This prevents customers from selecting expensive expedited shipping options while still getting free shipping, which could eat into your margins. Then scroll down to Eligibility. For this tutorial, let's set it to all customers so everyone shopping in your store can take advantage of this offer. However, you could also restrict it to specific customer segments if you wanted to reward loyal customers or target a particular group. Now comes an important part, the minimum purchase requirements. Click on Minimum Purchase Amount and set it to something like $50. This means customers need to spend at least $50 in their cart before they qualify for free shipping. This threshold encourages higher order values and helps offset your shipping costs. If you need to, you can also add combinations at this stage. Combinations allow you to control how this discount works alongside other promotions you might be running. Finally, adjust the start date to determine when this promotion will go live. You can also set an end date if this is meant to be a limited time offer. Once everything looks good, click Save at the bottom of the page. Give it a moment to process and save your settings. And there you have it, you've successfully set up free shipping in Shopify with a minimum purchase requirement. This strategy can significantly boost your average order value while providing real value to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.